Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the African Bank mobile banking application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. Then simply tap on the search box and then type in African Bank. Once you start the search and you find the African Bank application, simply tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the African Bank application. Just wait for a while until the download and installation is complete, and once you see the open button, you can tap on it to open up the app. Now, once the Access Bank mobile application is launched, you will be able to log into your account or apply for a new account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download the African Bank mobile application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.